Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do a cookery session. I'm going to show you how to make bread pizza in the pan. So I have prepared a very beautiful video for all of you to watch. So let's watch that video. So here, first you need bread, and then onions, tomatoes, capsicums, chilies, mozzarella cheese grated, sausages, oil, butter, pepper and salt, and then sauce. Now let's see how to make this bread pizza. First, heat a pan and add your oil. You can use any oil you like. And then add the onions. Here, when the onions are lightly fried, only you have to add the rest of the vegetables. The tomatoes, and then the capsicums, and then you have to add the chilies. You can add any other vegetable you like, carrots, for example, but too much toppings can make the bread pizza ugly. So now when the tomatoes are squishy, you can take your vegetable toppings out of the pan. Now you can add the sausages. You can use any meat you like. Since there is enough oil left in the pan, I'm not going to add extra oil. You can use any meat, chicken or any other kind of meat. So now my sausages are fried, so I can take them out of the pan now. Right. Now we have to add some butter to the pan. Although you have enough oil, I'm going to add butter too. You have to keep some butter because you have to apply it on the bread until the butter is getting melted. I am going to apply the rest of the butter on the both sides of the bread. You have to apply it lightly. You don't have to apply it like we normally apply bread and butter. Now I'm going to add the bread into the pan. You have to always check the underneath of the bread. But since I have added the bread right now, I am going to add the sauce. You can cover the bread. You can use any type of sauce here. Tomato ketchup, tomato sauce, or any type of sauce. You can even use pizza sauce. Like I said, you have to always check the underneath. Now I can add the grated mozzarella cheese. I'm only going to add half of it because I'm going to add the rest of it after we bake this delicious pizza. So now I'm going to flatten it and keep it until it melts lightly. Now you can see that underneath is golden brown. So now I can add my vegetable toppings. I'm going to add it. You can spread it anywhere you like. So you have to always flatten the bread and the toppings after you add something. Now I can add the sausages. Now my pizza looks so delicious and it looks so colorful and pretty. Right. So you have to add all the meat. If you feel like the meat is quite enough, then you can stop adding the meat or the sausages. So I think my pizza looks very delicious and it's so colorful. Now I can add my salt and pepper mixture. I have mixed salt and pepper all together. So you can mix it and add it, or you can add it separately. It is according to your taste that you add the salt and pepper. Now you can add the rest of the mozzarella cheese on the toppings, the vegetable and meat toppings. Now I can add some oregano. You can add it to make the pizza look delicious. It's not compulsory to add some oregano. If you have oregano at home, you can add it. So that is the end of my video. Now let's see how my pizza looks like. So this is how my pizza looks like. Isn't it gorgeous and doesn't it look delicious? It's really tasty and you have to try it. So there's one more thing I have to say. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. And here is what you have to do. Click the subscribe button under my video and then click the bell icon that appears after that. Now you have subscribed my channel. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Thank you very much for staying with me throughout this time.